How to do if for statement in Python? With Python, I would like to run a test over an entire list, and, if all the statements are true for each item in the list, take a certain action. Pseudocode: if test involving x is true for every x in list, then do this. It seems like there should be a simple way to do this. What syntax should I use in Python?
Use all. It takes an iterable as an argument and return true if all entries evaluate to true. Example. You will probably need some kind of generator expression, like
all returns true if all the elements in the list are true. Similarly, any will return true if any element is true. Example, test all elements are greater than 0. Above originally used a list comprehension, if all x, 0 for x in list underscore of underscore xs, column, which is pointed out by Delman, thanks, a generator expression would be faster as the generator expression terminates at the first false, while this expression applies the comparison to all elements of the list. However, be careful with generator expression like. If you are using Pylab, launch IPython as IPython Pylab, the all function is replaced with numpy.all, which doesn't process generator expressions properly.
I believe you want the all method.
If you want to simulate, please consider subscribing.